Imagine a dress that feels light, feminine, and effortlessly elegant. A dress that moves with you and makes you feel beautiful in every moment. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to sew the Paris dress with a rounded front hem, soft flared sleeves, and no pockets. Designed with delicate pleats at the bust and waist and a flattering A-line silhouette, this dress is made to enhance your natural shape. Without complicated techniques. No darts, no zippers, just a simple, beautiful sewing process. Let's create your Paris dress together. Step 1. Cutting the pattern pieces. Prepare your fabric before cutting. At minimum, press it well. If you are using natural fabrics such as cotton, linen, or viscose, wash and dry the fabric before pressing to prevent shrinkage later. When transferring pattern pieces to the fabric, make sure to mark all notches, transfer all fold lines, mark pleats and key construction points. Step 2. Waist and bust pleats. On the front bottom piece, fold the bust pleats and direct them toward the neckline. You can secure them with a stitch close to the edge. Form and stitch the waist pleats on both the front and back if you want a more fitted silhouette. Skip this step if you prefer a looser, relaxed fit. Open the pleats, place them flat, aligning the fold with the stitching line, and top stitch to secure them in place. Step 3. Button placket. Fold each button placket along the fold line, right sides together, and sew the bottom edge. Turn the placket right side out. Place the placket on the wrong side of the front bottom piece and stitch along the edge. Press thoroughly for a clean finish. Step 4. Assembling the dress. Join front top and front bottom, right sides together. Sew the center back seam on the back pieces. Finish seams with an overlock or zigzag stitch and press. Join front and back pieces at the shoulder seams. Finish and press seams. Step 5. Sleeves. Attach the sleeves. Place sleeves and dress right sides together, matching all notches. Sew, finish seams, and press. Note: for a better fit, the sleeve cap is slightly larger than the armhole. Gently ease, slightly stretch the armhole area to set the sleeve smoothly. Step 6. Side seams. Fold the dress right sides together and sew the side seams from sleeve hem down to the bottom of the dress. Finish seams and press well. Step 7. Finishing raw edges and sleeve hems. Prepare bias tape, 3 centimeters wide. You will need approximately 60 centimeters for sleeve hems, 4 meters for the dress hem and front edges. Finish all raw edges using bias binding. Step 8. Belt and belt loops. For the tie belt, cut a strip 2.5 meters long and 3 centimeters wide. Fold raw edges toward the center, wrong side, and press. Fold again lengthwise and top stitch close to the edge. For belt loops, cut small strips, approximately 3 centimeters wide and 6 centimeters long. Attach them at the waistline along the side seams. Step 9. Buttons and buttonholes. Sew the buttons and create neat buttonholes. We recommend using a sewing machine with a buttonhole foot, stitching each buttonhole twice for a clean, professional look. Buttons can be sewn by hand or by machine, as shown in our video. Your Paris dress is finished, and you did it. A beautiful, comfortable, and versatile dress you can wear anywhere, from everyday moments to special occasions. Don't stop here. Experiment with fabrics, colors, and sleeve styles to create your own unique versions. And if you loved this pattern, explore more designs to keep sewing your dream wardrobe. See you in the next tutorial.